Hi, welcome to LeetCode. So in this video we discuss LeetCode problem 3462, maximum sum with at most k elements. So you are given a 2D integer matrix grid of size n cross m, an integer array limits of length n and another integer k. So the task is to find the maximum sum of at most k elements from the matrix grid such that the number of elements taken from the ith row of grid does not exceed limits I, and we will return the maximum sum we can make. So suppose for this example one, our matrix is 1 2 3 4. So this is actually 2 cross 2 matrix, and the value is 1 2, here are 3 and 4. So next limits for this is that from first row I can take maximum 1 element, and from the second row I can take maximum 2 elements. Yes, 1 and 2, and overall I can actually take 1 element. K is equal to 1. K is equal to 2. Sorry, 2 elements is I can take. So how actually we have to maximize the sum, total sum. We have to maximize this. So our priority will be we should take the maximum value from this matrix, but for each matrix or each row I can actually take maximum limits I. Suppose for this matrix, so maximum value is 4, then it's 3, then 2, then 1. I have to take maximum 2 element, right? So can I actually take 4? Yes, I can actually take because for this row here actually row is 0 and here actually row is 1. So for this row 1 I have not currently I have taken 0 number of elements from row 1. So I can actually definitely I can take this. So I will add this into our sum. Next maximum value is 3. So this is from row 1. So already how many actually elements I have taken from this row 1? So can I actually if I take this element 3, will it exceed the limits? No, because I can actually take maximum 2 element, but currently I have actually taken only 1 element. So I can take this. So I'll add this into our sum. So I have already achieved k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 means I can actually take maximum 2 elements, k number of elements. So this is our total maximum. So I have to return 7. So you can see that our output is 7. For the next example, suppose 3 cross 3. So this is the matrix and the numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So from row 1 I can actually take maximum 2 element. From row 2 I can actually take 1 element, and from row 3 I can take 3 element. Okay. So first of all and we have to take k is equal to 3. So I have to take 3 elements. Now what is the we have to maximize the total sum. So our priority will be first take the maximum value from this matrix. So first of all what I will do, I will sort numbers in the descending order. So the number will be, first it will be 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1. Right. So first of all I will check that this 9 actually I can take this into a sum or not in the sum variable. So how to check that? So this 9 is from row 3. So how many maximum number I can take from this row 3? But currently I have taken only 0 element. So I can add this into our sum. So our sum will be changed to initially it is 0. Now I will add this 9 into this. Okay. Next maximum value is 8 from this matrix. So I have to check that I can actually take this or not. So this is from row number 2. So I can take the maximum 1 element, but currently it is 0. So I can actually take this. I can actually add 8 into our sum. So I'll add this. Next is 7. Can I actually take 7? 7 is row number 2, but I have already taken 1 element. So if I add this 7 into this sum, so it will exceed our limit. So I can't actually take 7. Okay. Next number is 6. Can I actually take this 6 into our sum? So this is 6 is from row number 3, right? Row number 3. So I will check that what is the maximum limits. Maximum limits is 3. So but currently actually I have taken only one element from this row 3, so I can add this into our sum. So I'll add this into 6. So already I have to take 3 elements, so you can see that I have already taken maximum 3 numbers, 9, 8 and 6, which actually satisfy 3 conditions. One is we have to take maximum 3 elements, k is equal to k numbers of elements. Okay, then each row I can take maximum limits I number of elements. Right, here you can see that 9 and 6 both are from the row number 3, which limit actually is 3, but I have taken only 2 elements from this row, so this actually satisfies. Next is 8. 8 is from row number 2. Here actually I can take maximum 1 element, but you can see that only 1 element from row 2 is present in this sum, so both actually conditions are satisfied. So what is the sum for this? So this is 17 plus 6, this is 23. Got it? So explanation and the problem students clear. So now the next, how can actually solve this? So the steps for this problem is, first of all, try to sort all the number that is present in matrix. So in which order? This is descending. So I'll get suppose 4, 3, 2, 1 in this way. Now I have to need one vector that actually indicate that from which row how many numbers actually currently I have taken. So initially all row is empty. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3, all actually 0. Okay, suppose. Then I will actually one counter also need that I need actually k elements. So this is initially 0. Whenever we reached k, I have to break this loop. So first of all, I have sorted this vector. So first of all, I will try to take 4. So I know that 4 is from suppose row 2. So I will check that what is this is 0, 1, 2. So row 2 it is 0, and I will check that what is the limits of row 2. So if it is if I add this 0 plus 1, if it is less than equal to the limits of row 2, then it's I can take this. So I will add this into a sum variable 4. Okay, and also I will increase the counter also because I have taken one element. Next I will try to take 3. So 3, this is our row number 1. Okay, this is, so previously I have taken only 0 elements, so it indicates that how many actually elements previously we have taken. So this is 0, and if I try to add this number, so this will 0 plus 1, I have to check that this is less than equal to the limits of row 1 or not. Okay, so in this actually if it is suppose crossing the exceeding the limits, then I can't take this, so I'll go to the next element. Okay, sum will be same and the counter will be also same. Okay, got it? Now this is the actually when you are taking all the numbers, suppose the row size is R and the column size is C, so total number of elements in the matrix will be row into column, right? R into C, and I have sorted this. Suppose this is actually ultimately n is indicates the total number of elements in the matrix. So I have to sort this first, so in ascending or descending order. So this will be n log n to sort this. Then for each I have to iterate this each element, so that I can actually take this current element or not. So this will be big of n in Orsticks. So total time loss will be n log n plus n. But here actually we have not used any priority key, but you can actually use priority key also similar way, because instead of sorting overall sorting, what actually I can do, so I will optimize this more. So first of all, I know that I have to try I can take only the maximum value. So I will sort the row wise value. So suppose this is our matrix, and this is suppose initially 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is suppose 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now after row wise sorting, this will be like 4, 3, 2, 1, and here it is 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, so for this limit for this row 1, the limits is suppose 2. So I can take actually maximum these 2 elements. This is not possible to take 2 and 1. I can take only 4 and 2 maximum in worst case, right? Or in the best case you can say. And suppose here actually limit actually 2, and here actually suppose limit is equal to 3 for this row 2. So which number actually I can take maximum? In best case, I can actually take this 3 element 8, 7, 6. So what I will do? So overall sorting, instead of overall sorting, I will store this two value 4 and 3 into the priority queue. Again this 3 value, top 3 value from this row 8, 7, 6 into the priority queue. So what is the maximum value out of all of this number? Maximum value is 8. So first of all I will try to take 8. So you already know that all number actually within the limits. None of this will exceed the limits of any row, right? Because we are actually taking the limits value, maximum number of elements. So here the limit is 2. So I am taking only 2 elements from this row. Here the limit is 3. I am taking only 3 elements from this row. Got it? So that's why here we don't need to check during actually the inserting into the sum variable that this actually exceeding the limits or not, right? So whatever you check there, that time I have to check that this actually exceeds the k elements or not. We have to take only the top k elements, right? So here actually suppose k is equal to 3. So first I will take 8. Next maximum element is 7. Next maximum element is 6. Got it? So this will be our answer. Suppose k is equal to 4. So what I will do? First maximum value is 8, then 7, then 6, then 4. Got it? You can see that I have already actually validated that none of this row will cross the limits, right? Next I have to during actually the priority queue in iteration, I have to check only that we have to take only k number of elements. So we will take only the k maximum value from the priority queue. You can actually use the max priority queue here. Got it? So instead of overall sorting, we are actually just sorting the top number of sum of limits of each row, right? Because we are actually taking the number of elements from each row. So total number of elements for in this priority queue will be sum of the limits plus sum of the limits of each row. Got it? So now go to select code. So first of all, I have taken one priority queue here actually integer type, and I first of all calculate the row size and the column size. Got it? Now I'm iterating each row, and first of all I'm sorting the row wise. So row wise it's in descending order. Okay, R begin and R end actually sort the in descending order. Now I have to select column maximum column number of elements or the limits that row actually have. So this is j is equal to 0 and j less than equal to minimum value of column and the limits I the row actually have. Okay. Next is j plus plus. So I am inserting this current element into the priority queue. So here actually I have already checking the maximum number of elements from each row will not cross the limit sign. Got it? And also the maximum value from each row. Now we have to return the sum of those maximum value. So I have to take one variable long type. Here the return type is long, and answer is equal to 0. And I have to take maximum key elements. So while actually our k greater than 0 and our priority queue is not empty, right? So what I will do? First of all, I will pop the top element, and I will add this into the answer variable. So I will first, what is the top below? I will actually store this in the current variable, and I will pop this from the priority queue, and k minus minus. Why k minus minus? Because I actually consume one element. I am inserting one element into our sum variable. So that's why I am actually decreasing by 1, and also add this current value into our answer variable, and at the end return the answer. Got it? I have shared this code into the description. You can check that, and if you have any doubt, any confusion, you can comment on that. Thank you.